The US dollar is continuing to pump massively. What does this mean for cryptocurrencies, stocks, and everything in the world? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you. This is very important, and this is something that you really need to understand if you hold or invest, trade cryptocurrencies. And if you do so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the very end of this video. So what we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is if I go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the US dollar is pumping very, very hard. And it's been going up since July, the 13th of July, right here. And it's been going up only, up only. This is a very, very important warning sign if you hold stocks or cryptocurrency, because typically what will happen is, if I zoom out here on the weekly time frame, when the US dollar trends upwards, guess what happens? Stocks and cryptos, they go down because they are inversely correlated with the dollar. And the reason why when the dollar is going up and it pushes other things down is because specifically people are selling their stocks in crypto and getting into the US dollar, and it's making the US dollar stronger. And people will typically sell specific types of assets, get into the dollar in recessions, in particular economic times like we're in now, as they're getting into cash, as you hear the term cash is king. So people are basically getting into cash right now and preparing for some type of economic disaster, which is honestly likely to continue happening with really, really high inflation and high interest rates. These two things right here just kill markets, stocks, crypto, everything. But it's only a temporary thing, and it's a normal part of any type of economic, financial system and cycle. Let me help to drill this in even further. So look at this. This is the weekly time frame for Bitcoin and the US dollar, and I'm putting them side by side so you can see. So right here on the DXY chart on the left, we see the DXY bottomed and it went all the way up. But when it bottomed, guess what also happened? Bitcoin was at the very top and it continued trending down. And so what we're seeing is we're still in an uptrend with the DXY on this time frame. And we saw a significant pullback, but it's likely that the dollar can keep climbing up. Now, this is called the DXY, or the US dollar index. And the way the DXY actually goes up, it's a composite of dollar paired currencies. Have you ever heard of Forex? Well, if the dollar is paired to other cryptocurrencies, other currencies around the world, like the Japanese yen, the British pound, the euro, these types of things cause and impact the value of this specific asset that we're looking at, the dollar index, which is just a composite of dollar pairs around the world. So when the yen or the pound or any other currency around the world is going up in value against the dollar, you'll see the DXY go down. Now let me show you this. So this chart right here, this is the British pound compared to the dollar, and look, it is trending strongly to the downside. And guess what's happening? The dollar is going up compared to the British pound. Look, this is the euro compared to the US dollar. It's going down strongly, and it's at $1.05 compared to the dollar, which means that the euro is worth more. But guess what? It wasn't too long ago, just months ago, that the euro was actually $1.12. So basically, a dollar compared to a euro is worth about 88 cents. And now it's possible that the dollar, like it was last year, really around this specific time, was worth more than a euro. So the dollar can be worth more than the euro, which means that when you go to Europe or wherever the euro is spent, your dollar will hold more value. And if you're paying on your credit cards, it's going to be essentially cheaper. So I'm showing you all this because when the dollar is trending upwards, ladies and gentlemen, cryptos and stocks typically will go down, and it will go down for months. This might be a temporary thing, and the dollar could top out. It's quite possible that the dollar could top out. But with my theory, my thesis that I've been teaching you guys all for the last several months, that I think cryptos are going to be going down, which they are happening and is doing, is I'm telling you guys, this is a very strong indication that it's likely that cryptos are going to continue going down, which means that we can buy at a better discounted price. We can have incredible trading opportunities, better investments, opportunities for these cryptocurrencies that we really love, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of our favorite cryptocurrencies. I believe they're going to go down, along with some of our favorite stocks that we want to buy at a better discount. Everything is super high. The stock market, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, these stocks are very, very high right now. They're likely to correct, which means that investors like me, investors like you can have opportunities to buy these things, including cryptocurrencies, at a better discount, which means we can make more money. You don't make money when you buy things at the top. You make money, and billionaires are made when there are bear markets and recessions. That's when people become very wealthy by buying and accumulating cryptos and stocks at a very, very cheap discounted price. So ALGOSNIPER had given us a sell alert last Thursday, and ever since then it is continuing to head down. We're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and the ALGOSNIPER bands are still red. The price is getting rejected under these bands. So I honestly think it's likely that Bitcoin is going to be testing these other targets below us, which is going to be the next key support levels. I'm looking at 25,300, 24,800, 24,200. These are the next key levels that I think Bitcoin is going to go down to. If you guys want to use ALGOSNIPER, I just updated it today, and you guys can try it at 50% off today at algosniper.com. This thing is really going to help you to find the best opportunities to buy and sell in the markets at the best spots. If you guys also want access, you can join my Patreon, where I'm providing buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, where we are making money every single week, guaranteed your money back by following my signals. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.